Welcome back to Sports Extra. The Bell Game is one of the greatest high school football rivalries in the country. And for the 2022 showdown between Pueblo Central and Pueblo Centennial, we thought we'd take you to Dutch Clark Stadium so you can feel what it's like to be at the game. We present to you the sounds of the Bell Game.
Ladies and gentlemen, good evening, and welcome to Pueblo's Earl Dutch Clark Stadium, home of the Flying Dutchman, and the 2022 Centennial Central Bell Game!
Here come the mighty Wildcats of Central! Here comes the Bulldogs! Ladies and gentlemen, please direct your attention to midfield and the 50-yard line.
They don't know who they're messing with. Go light them up.
Guys, kick the ball, please. Kick the ball, please.
Knock somebody's head loose.
That's on three. 1, 2, 3, count.
Pass goes incomplete.
That's too easy. Come on. Let's go.
Number 84, Mari Brown on the carry to the 10. 5, touchdown!
Bell rings blue. Bell rings blue, baby. Bell rings blue. Bell rings blue.
For the 2022 Bell Game. The final score.
There is nothing quite like the Bell Game. I've been around the country, seeing a lot of high school football. This thing is special. Pueblo, shout out to you guys. You know how to do it. That's what it's all about. That concludes this edition of Sports Extra. For Rob Namnoom, I'm Danny Mata saying good night, and we will see you next week.